Hi, welcome to Easy Classes. My name is Ramesh and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily fix this app can't run on your Windows 10 PC. Yes guys, I had this problem morning and I successfully solved this problem by following few simple steps. But I'm not sure these same methods will work on your Windows device. But you can try these methods because these are free. So guys, let's start with the first step, that is user account control settings. For that, go to the Windows search bar and search user account control settings. In the best match result you will find this option, so left click on that. Now make sure you have selected the second stage. I also recommend you to use familiar apps and visit familiar website. So once you have done, say OK and say yes. The next step, local security policy. So go to the Windows search bar and type local security policy. Again, in the best match result you will find local security policy option. Left click on that. Now find local policies. Left click on the arrowhead. Now find security options. Double click on that. In the right side you need to enable three options. First one, find user account control admin approval mode. So let me scroll down. Here find user account control admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account. So double click on that and select enabled. Just enable it and apply and say OK. The next option is user account control run all administrators in admin approval mode. So double click on that and make sure you have enabled it. So once you have done, apply the changes and say OK. The last option is user account control allow UI access. You can find above this option. So double click on that and make sure you have enabled this option too and apply the changes and say OK. Now close the window and I would recommend you to restart your device to apply these changes. So once you have restarted, try to install the software again and I hope this method will work for you. That's it guys. This was the video on how to fix this app can't run on your PC. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. We will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Until then, bye bye.